Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training in our structural model for our recreational center. Now here we've got the plank laid in here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do something here because these are, let me see if I can select all instances, an entire project. So all this plank here, we want to change, we want to edit this type here. If we can do this, duplicate this, let's say okay for 2 now. Let's say okay. Okay, so I don't think it's going to let me do what I want to do here. I want to change the size of these plank because this is the bottom and these would be heavier, and right now these are only, let's see what we have. These are only 6 inches. So what I want to do, I want to go get we have it in there already. Okay, so we want to get the 8 inch here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can do this. I wonder if I can have to unpin these. So I'm going to select all these. Let's try that. Let's just see if I can take this set here. I'm going to edit this type here. Okay, so it's not letting me do that because it's a system. So really what I have to do is delete that. We have to drop it. Let's see if we can do this here. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Since we didn't see me do this, I'm going to just do it again because I want the heavier beams on the bottom. So let's go to our plan view here. This is our level 1. Yeah, so I'm going to grab these guys here. Let me see if I can properties. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to drop these out for now. I'm just going to delete these guys here. I think we have to remove the system first. Yep. Oh, no, we don't. That's quick and easy. Just delete these guys out. Now I'm going to go with a new beam system here. But now I want to go with here. I'm going to select my beam first. And then that's going to be, that's the 6 inch. We want to go with the 8 inch here on the bottom. Even actually, let's do the 12 inch. Well, let's go with a 10 for now. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to do my beam system here. We're going to leave that space open because we've got to play around in there. So I'm going to go structure, beam system, do automatic, or space, yes. Is that one in? There's that one. This one. And this one. So now let's go look at this in our 3D view. Okay, see, we've got the wrong beam here. Just got to watch that. So let's undo that back. What is that I got in there? Really hard to tell, so we can always drop sections and things like that. Let's see, 4, that's a 6 inch. I don't want the 6 inch, so we want to delete these out. Got to be careful there. So these are 6 inch plank. We want to make them thicker, so I want to go my beam, and then I want to select, that is the one I picked, okay. Okay, so let's go and do a beam system, see what we went wrong here. Structure, beam system. Okay, here we should have changed that, and so we want to go with the, let's go with the 10 inch, let's go with the 12 inch on the bottom. Yeah, because we're going to need that support. Let's do the 12 on the bottom. And let's go put our systems in. Yep, in there. So let's have a look at this in our 3D view now. Okay, so now we got the nice 1 foot the 1 foot plank. So let's go in our plan view again here, level 1, and let's do a section through to see what's going on with the beams and the let's see what's happening here. Drop a little section there and just take a look here, folks. Okay, so that looks like it's going to work pretty good. We need to probably extend these so these plank fit right on top of the precast. So now here we got to do some adjusting. Not going to worry about that right now. We'll do that later on. So we're back in level 1. So here's our our structure. So now let's go back to level 1 and let's do the second level. Now here, as you recall, this is a gym, so we're going to need that support in there, I think. The plank wouldn't span that whole distance. So now what we're going to do here, I'm going to go back into level 1. Sorry about that. 1 here. And then I want to do columns again. But these columns, they don't want to be that big. I want to make these guys... Okay, we can make another type, but for now, I'm going to go with these. Let's do this thing. Here we go. So this is how we can make another column. We can go here, edit type here. Again, duplicate. And then we'll make this one, that's 20 by 20. Let's make these 12s. For the top level, for the upper set portion. Let's make these 12 by 12s. It's going to look kind of funny, but that's okay. I'm going to delete this. Okay, and then this is going to be 1 foot. Come on now. What's going on here? Okay. So now I want to go and place these guys on grid from level 2, and then again, let me go here, structural column. And then we want to go height, and level 2 would be the height. Okay, so let's go on grids here. Let me zoom out a bit here. If I still got it on grid. And we'll click finish. Okay. Sorry about that. You gotta be careful there. Little column and hit the on grid command. Going to 12 by 12. I'm going to select all these grids and then finish. Okay, now let's have a look at our 3D view here. Okay, now there's our 12 by 12 columns here. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just delete these guys out of the center because we don't need these. We don't need this either. So I'm going to go modify. So just grab this. I'm holding control key if anybody don't know how to do this. This. Oh no, we want those. It's these we don't want. That's the basketball court. Okay, so now we need to add some beams in here. Now I think I might go with another size beam here since we got these big old, these little columns now. So let's go here and add structure beam. I got the, what do I have in here? I got inverted T. So 24. I tell you what, let's grab this one here. Just duplicate this one here. Edit this type. Edit type. That's a 24. let's make this a 12. Just the half side. So let's duplicate this. I mean, we might have one in here already. Let's see. No, we don't. So I'm going to duplicate this and make them a 12. This is going to be 12. I'm going to make this 1 foot. There. This will be 1 foot. Okay, cancel that. What happened here? Okay. So I got a little error message there. So let's see what happens if I place these guys in here. Let's go one there. One there. Nope, undo that. Sorry, that's the plank. I want this. There you go. So there. Nope, sorry, we don't need one there. We need one in this direction here. So let's go and add our plank here. I mean, our beams are inverted T's. And actually, you can do these on grid as well, to be honest with you. But for now, let's do this in 3D view, snapping. Beam, structure, beam here. 3D snapping is on, change select, and we'll just go, we'll need a beam here. Oops. Okay, so really all we need here is support. Let's see here now, you need to get that dot in there, that little dot, yeah. You need to make sure a little dot shows, see, man, uh-oh, and we go here. Okay, now, yep, we need support out here as well. I think we got to do a little cantilever thing here, so we got a beam there, inverted T from there to there. Uh-oh. Okay. So we're getting our structural model together here. Now above this level, I don't think we're going to go with something else, maybe steel or rib joist, because we don't need that much there. Okay, now I need another beam here, of course. Now, so let's go to level 2. And we got to deal with issues like we got a stair in here, we got a lot of other things on the second floor. So let's go and just place these beams over here on level 2. You see my north elevation here. But anyway, guys, this is basically how we land out the structure. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to eventually link in the, let's see, what level am I on here? Level 2. Okay, project browser, level 2. So here again, see if we can do a beam system here. Don't have walls out there, nothing yet. We may need to, let's see what we got here in 3D view. Okay. So up here, we're going to need a support. So then we need to bring our walls up, which are going to be precast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, just for now, I'm going to take this wall here and I'm going to push it up. This is for now, this is just for the moment. Project browser, properties. So That's a basic foundation model. So we're going to need another wall in here, and then that's where we go in and we'll need our architect's model. So this is what we have to structure so far. Here we're going to bring the walls in, and we're going to determine windows and things like that from the architect's model. So what I'm going to do, since we're at this point, I'm going to link this into my architect's model. See what it looks like here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this. Yes, I do. And I want to open the architect's model here. So this is when we do our linking. We're going to link in the structural into the architecture. As you can see in the architect's model, there's no foundation. This is just architectural stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in and bring in the structural just so we can see kind of what's going on here. So what to do is you just go into your insert tab here. And we're going to link in our Revit, our structural model. So there's our structural model right there. Yep, and we're going to go open. And there it is. Okay, so now you can see some of the structural elements here. There's our basement, our bottom of it. There's our footing and our walls. So hey guys, I'm going to leave it there. And we're going to continue on with this. So basically what happens now is, let's say if I got a section in here or something, let me see, project browser. Let's see if I got a section here I can look at here. Let's see section 1 here. Okay, now there's our section, and as you can see our flooring in. So we're going to remove the architect's floor, and we're going to use this floor. And then we go up to the second level, and things like that. But hey guys, I just wanted to bring you up to date here. We continue on with our Rec Center, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. So now we've got our linked architect's model here into the structure. So what we're going to do next, we need to bring the walls over to the structural model so we can have the structural walls, and then we'll eliminate these. Hey guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please be safe. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Bye.